Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the thumbnail on YouTube Shorts are fixed on the mobile app or on the mobile YouTube Studio. And basically, the first thing to do is just to get to your uh, YouTube Studio from mobile app, and then you will be able to see such view. So you will need just to go first to your content, and then you will need to search for the short that you want to fix its thumbnail. So basically here I have shorts, and if I click on the shorts you will see that I'm only able to change the thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app. And basically you will need just to go there on YouTube, and after that you will be able to click on the video and you can start modifying the thumbnail and you will have some view like this. So you will be able to start uh, scrolling through the frames of your shorts, and you will be able to choose the thumbnail for your uh, shorts. And basically there are things that you need to make sure if you encountered some problem is to have the eligibility to do this operation. And basically you can just go from here to your settings, and basically by clicking on the settings, and if we go to channel, here we will find features and eligibility. So make sure that you are identified and that you are verified in YouTube, so you can start adding more things like having custom thumbnails and some other features. And basically, by doing that, you will be able to not encounter some problem with with the thumbnails on YouTube Shorts, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.